I was like, wow, oh my god, this blow my mind away. Making $150 under 10 minutes with only 9 clicks of your mouse. I couldn't believe it. This is my exact expression when I came across these methods online. And I say that, man, I have to share this with my subscribers. I have to share this because this is the easiest way right now today to make money online without any investment, and it is 100% worldwide confirmed. Okay, no excuses. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do that. Make sure to watch the entire video because you will regret it if you don't. You will regret it. I have to stress this enough because this is super important. This is very powerful. Okay,
Before watching the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get more great videos.
go to Fiverr.com, right? A lot of people that show you that go to Fiverr, you have to be a freelancer, right? You have to put up like some stuff, do some online jobs and make some $5, $10, but that's not we are going to be talking about today, right? These strategies is for the smart people, right? For the smart people, and congratulations, you are here. You will know the strategy right here that only a handful of people know about, and therefore is very less competition. You and I as a beginner, we can tap into this industry and make a huge ton of money online right now, right? I believe there's thousands and thousands of dollars in the pocket, right? So first of all, when you land on Fiverr.com, you have to scroll down below, right? Go down and click on this video and animation, click on this, and you're gonna land on this page right here, video and animation. And the next step is that you have to go over to the sidebar and check this short video ads, right? Click on this and you will land on this page right here. And the next thing is that you have to scroll down there. You can look that there are different people, freelancer, they are coming here and offering different project that they put up a short video ads, right? Because this category, these niches right here is very less people tap into this. A lot of people they make video, make like different stuff, but for short video ads, this industry is very narrow and there's a lot of money to be made, okay? And what you have to do right here is you have to produce and come up with a short video ads. And you must be saying that, hey Branson, I don't have any camera skill, I don't know tech, I don't know about any stuff. How can I create a short video ad and actually making money on Fiverr? And yes, that's my question. That's exactly what I think at first. And when I discovered this strategy, it blows my mind away, okay? And I'm gonna show you in just a few minutes, so stay with me. I'm gonna show you like how much income you can make with this. You can see that people are making $35, $5, right? $50. Some of them they're even earning about $100, thousands of dollars, $250 and so on, okay? So I'm gonna show you one of the example of what actually is a short video ads. Right before that, I showed that something caught my attention. Oh, right, don't bother it. So let's scroll down there, check out these short video ads right here. So basically this is what a short video ads. I'm gonna play it for you. So basically you can see that short video ads is basically a template, right? A template video that they play, the template is the same. So what they do, they just edit the text on the ad, right? You can see these things are the same. They are just changing this text, finding, and they're changing this right here, the text on the phone. So all of these guys right here, they are selling this kind of short ads, but actually essentially they are just editing on a pre-made template, and they change the text and they submit the projects and they make hundreds and hundreds of dollars, okay? It is absolutely nonsense. I'm gonna show you how much money you can make. It is absolutely ridiculous, man. That's ridiculous, okay? I'm gonna show you the strategies right now. What are the resources that you can use for free to come up with a professional, great looking short video ads that you pay zero money upfront and you can sell it for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, okay? But before that, what is the strategies that I want to show you is that you have to sell it at a lower price, okay? You can see that people are actually making hundreds of dollars, but I want you to start low. You charge people about $30, $50, and you get some testimonials, some reviews coming in, and that way you build a brand for yourself, a name out there, and after that you can increase your price and you snowball from there. Right, that's the strategy right here. We go low ball at the beginning and we charge higher price later, and that way you build testimonials, people like you, you deliver on time, and people are gonna pay you a huge amount of money. So now I'm going to show you the website right now. The next website is flixpress.com. Right, for some of the people that they turn out the video right now, they are losing this opportunity. So if you are still watching right now, I know that you can make it, okay? So keep on watching. So for flixpress.com is basically where a website they offer you a free platform for you to get tons and tons of templates to create video ads, okay? So what you can do when you land on here, just click on this get started for free right now, and you're gonna land on this registration page. You can just put in your details and sign up, and you can start using this platform for free, okay? And the next thing is that I want to show you when you click on this automated templates, click on this, and you're gonna land on this right here, okay? You can see that they have tons and tons of different templates right here. By default, they're gonna be all templates, and I want you to click on this ads, okay? Ads right here. And you can see they have different templates right here, tons and tons of different templates that you can use. Incredible, okay? A lot of people, they don't know about this website, and let me play one of the video right here. Okay, click play.
Hello, I was looking for a good beauty salon and spa. Can I ask you a couple of questions? Do you do massage, exfoliation, microdermabrasion, mani-pedis, spray tanning, eyebrow threading, wigs, facials, waxing, bikini waxing? Can I ask more questions when I get there?
So we can see the similar patterns, right? They have a video templates that's pre-made, and they have the text right here where you can edit it. Once you sign up for free right here, and at the back office you can pick one of the template and you can just edit the text right here. They have all different templates from different industry where you can use for free. That's absolutely incredible. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. That's the first thing where you can get started for free. Use professional ads right here. You know, they hire professional actors, they come up with different templates that you can use. They look so professional, people don't even know that the template is coming from here for free, right? People will not believe it. All people, they don't know about this, okay? That's a bonus for you if you are watching until right now. This is a present, a gift for you in order to use this advantage to make money online right now. Okay, it's incredible. And the second thing is that because of how convenient that you can edit using these templates right here, where you can deliver your project on time. That's very important, okay? Because you can see that some of the offer right here, they need to say that 5 days of delivery, because they need a lot of time to create these kind of ads, okay? And what you can do, you have an advantage because you have a pre-made template and you can just edit it and just submit it, okay? If they don't like, okay, they don't satisfy, it's fine, because you have tons and tons of different templates that you can work on until your customer and clients are satisfied, okay? And you can deliver very fast, very on time. People are gonna like you, they're gonna give you good reviews. That's the advantage, right? That's the advantage because the template is so easily to edit. And the next thing is that you're gonna build a rapport for yourself. And I'm gonna talk about the subscription plans, okay? Because this platform is free, okay? But that has a limitation. And what you can do is you first started with free right here. I suggest you to go with free. And once you sell your services, you get some money coming in. $5, $10, however it is, and you can use that money to reinvest into this plan. And you can see that the plan is very cheap, right? Less than $1 a month, $10 a month. Easily, when you sell for one ad, you can cover for like this professional package right here, and you can use the money and just put up and come up with different ads, and you can sell it over and over again. That's the whole strategy, okay? Look, can you see the potential of this strategy right here? It can turn something into a real business, man. Wow, right? It can turn into a real business. It's like $100, $200. That's no limitation. And I came across this video again. And 10 minutes? You know, man, screw it. Let's do it in 5 minutes. 9 clicks, screw it. Go on, you know, Fiverr, edit the things like 5 clicks, right? It's not a clickbait. I hope that this helps you, right? It's incredible. And make sure to stick with my advice, which is that you sell at a low price, go low ball first and get your testimonials. That's the most important thing on Fiverr. And you use the flip press and you use it for free, and after that make sure to invest back into your own business, right? Upgrade your subscription plan, and that way you can earn more and more money and scale your business infinitely. Alright, that's the whole plan for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video.
If you like the video, please click on like button and express your valuable comments in the comments box.